Okay, thank you. Okay, let me give a small introduction about myself as well. So, my name is Ram Boyapati. I have around 13 years of work experience in IT industry. Ram Boyapati. I have near 13 plus years of experience, IT working experience. And in this 13 years of experience, I've been working for SQL Server and MSBA Stack, Python, Power BI, Power BI, Azure Data Engineering, and Fabric, Microsoft. So these are my core technologies where I've been having a good experience on this one. And also I started my training experience with around 7 to 8 years of IT trainings experience. So in this 7 to 8 years of IT trainings experience, I have provided trainings on all these technologies across the globe. You can see my YouTube channel as well. So that's going to be e-classes education. So this is our e-classes education channel. I was in this training field, you can see, from last 7 years. See, I was uploaded my videos 8 years back inside the YouTube only. So 8 years back, I have uploaded data warehousing concepts video and MSBI. These are all the things I have uploaded so much content over here. So if you guys please follow our YouTube channel as well to get more updates and I'm keep updating the content like kind of a career counseling to the students as well. Let me try to share this link in the GoToMeeting chat. Please subscribe my YouTube channel as well. Okay. So every day one video I'm uploading to YouTube as well about the future course, the best courses, counseling part, everything over here. Clear? Perfect. Now coming back to over here. So in the 7 to 8 years of experience, what I have observed over here, there are many people are coming from the different kind of backgrounds. Like some people they have already IT experience, but they are working for a different technology, like a testing, Java, .NET. Okay, I have a testing experience, Java experience, and .NET experience over here. Any technology, but now they want to upskill. They want to upskill their knowledge into the data side. They are looking for a what is the best course currently in the market. That is Microsoft Fabric. And some people they are working in non-IT. So in this non-IT, they have some experience, but now they want to upskill and they want to move to IT industry. Non-IT to IT. Some people having a career gap. So those kind of people also wants to come to IT industry. And some people are the freshers, like recently passed out freshers want to come to IT industry. So for all these kind of people, what suggestion I'm going to provide, the very first thing for your success to get the job is choosing of a right course. And the next one is about the choosing of a right institution, choosing of a right institution or the mentor. 70 percentage of your success rate for this, 70 percentage of the success for job is this one only. 70 percentage of the success for this job is choosing a right course and choosing of a right institution or mentor over here. The remaining 30 percentage, how much time you are spending for practicing and your dedication, remaining 30 percentage. So some people what they are doing, they are choosing the wrong course. Wrong course means very old course, legacy technologies, and choosing a wrong mentorship because they don't have a clear roadmap what they have to teach to you, and they are putting lot of efforts, but there is no result. So how to choose a right course? Whenever you are going to choose the right course, there are two things you need to primarily take in care. One is about the latest technology, and the second one is about the chances of automation. What do you mean by chances of automation? Or else you can tell it like a scope of automation. So latest technology means, for example, if I'm going to learn a course, manual testing or mainframes or .NET, or these are the latest technologies? No. Whichever the technology recently introduced from last 3 to 4 or 5 years onwards, that is called the latest technology. So Microsoft Fabric is the latest technology introduced by Microsoft. And the next one is about the scope of automation. That means you can observe, you can observe there is a artificial intelligence tools. There is a artificial intelligence tools are there. Artificial intelligence tools are going to be automating the jobs. Artificial intelligence tools are automating of the jobs over here. So when it is going to be automating the jobs, mostly testing, DevOps, these kind of jobs are going to be automated in the first, right? So if you are choosing any courses related to this one, it will impact your career again. So to work this artificial intelligence tools properly, definitely you should have a data as the input. Artificial intelligence tools are working by taking the input as a data, by taking the data as the input over here. Data as the input, it is going to taken care over here. So the person, the job, whoever is going to working on the data engineering, he has always demand because he is the more important key role for this artificial intelligence person to providing and supplying the data always on this artificial intelligence. That is the reason there is a huge demand in the market for data engineering part. Okay, and also there is like a data analysis part. So what do you mean by data analysis? Like whatever the data, business data you have, we are going to working on this data to identify the key insights and performing some analysis to understand the business data, understanding and providing some key insights on this data. And data engineering means collecting and cleaning and transforming and finally loading of the data. Data engineering is all about collecting and cleaning and transforming and loading of the data. Data analysis is all about understanding and providing some key insights of the data. There is another role, data science role. What this data scientist will do, he is going to train the machines by providing the data. Okay, he's going to train the models and doing some kind of machine learning. He is called data scientist. So far in the market, data engineering role is different, data analysis role is different, data science role is different. To implement a project for data engineering purpose, so far we have used Azure data engineering course. And for data analysis purpose, we are using Power BI. For data science purpose, we are using Machine Learning Studio. These are the three different platforms we are using to provide a end-to-end data solutions. To provide a end-to-end solutions for data, we are using data engineering, data analysis, data science, and all those things over here. So earlier you were learning Azure data engineering course separately, Power BI course separately for data analysis. This is for data engineering purpose. Data cleaning, data transforming, ETL, and loading the data, storing. For designing the visualization, data analysis purpose, we are learning Power BI. And for data science purpose, Machine Learning Studio. So to make these many environments, the pricing is different. You have to integrate data engineering from Microsoft Azure, data analysis from Power BI, data science from the Machine Learning Studio. All those things we need to do it over here. So we want to overcome all these three things. And Microsoft, what they have done, they want to make a simplify the data business intelligence. They want to simplify the business intelligence. They want to simplify the business intelligence with a single cloud platform, that is SaaS, that means software as a service. Simplifying the business intelligence, software as a service, SaaS platform. Software as a service over here. That means it's a single cloud platform to do all the above services. That is called Microsoft Fabric. Microsoft company has taken all the capabilities of data engineering, Azure data engineering, data analysis, Power BI capabilities, data science, machine learning studio, all three in one place. That is called Microsoft Fabric. Microsoft Fabric is a SaaS platform, software as a service platform, offering data engineering, data analysis, data science capabilities in single place. With less cost, more the automation required. More the automation means like earlier when we are learning Azure data engineering, Power BI, machine learning, there are a lot of things you need to learn, but they are simplifying all in one place. That is Microsoft Fabric over here. Okay, so this Microsoft Fabric environment is going to cover like the storage purpose. You can store the data inside this Microsoft Fabric environment. For storing of the data, there are three things we have. One is about the lake house, and the second one is about the data warehouse, and the third one is about the KQL database. And for the data ingestions process, what are all the things they have used? Data factory, data engineering, data engineering, and live streaming analytics, streaming analytics. That means from sensors, if you want to take the data, live data, streaming analytics. And we have Spark notebooks, and we have data flows Gen 2. These are all the ETL tools we are using. For data science purpose also, we can able to use Spark only. These are for the data processing, data ingestion, ETL tools. These are for the storage purpose. Now we are going to perform finally data modeling and reporting over here. For reporting purpose, what we are using? Power BI. So we are using the Power BI tool for the reporting. For data modeling purpose, what we are using? We are going to using the semantic data modeling tool over here. So as a part of this Microsoft Fabric, I'm going to covering of for storing of the data. There are three different kind of storage systems are there. For data ingestion process, these are the ETL tools I'm going to use, and this is the modeling. This is the reporting over here. Let me try to log into that environment app.powerbi.com. So for Fabric environment, to log in and designing of the reports and ETL ingestion process, data science, data engineering, data analysis, we are going to use app.powerbi.com. Simply click on this one. See here, click on this one, Microsoft Fabric. These are all the things as a part of the Microsoft Fabric. Power BI, Data Factory, Data Activator, and Synapse, Data Science, Data Warehousing, Data Engineering, Real Time Intelligence. Okay, these are all the things we are going to teach you inside this Microsoft Azure, sorry, Microsoft Fabric environment. So in future also, Microsoft every new projects they are going to implement by using this Microsoft Fabric only. Okay, any new project in the market, any new projects, the companies are suggesting to the clients use the Microsoft Fabric instead of Azure Data Engineering separately, Power BI separately. So for example, you will get a question. Some people were asking, sir, I want to learn only Power BI course. Only Power BI course. Some people are asking, sir, I want to learn only Azure Data Engineering course. Only Power BI course or only Azure Data Engineering course. Only Power BI or only Azure Data Engineering course. If I am learning Microsoft Fabric, how much knowledge I will get it on Power BI and Azure Data Engineering? If you are learning Microsoft Fabric, inside the Microsoft Fabric, 100% Power BI course will be covered. If you are going to learn only Power BI alone, and if you are going to learn Fabric with Power BI also, 100% same thing will be covered. Then why I need to learn Microsoft Fabric? I can learn only Power BI, right? I will tell you. Now the companies are expecting, see, when you are going over here, I want to work only Power BI, then who will work on all other items? Definitely, if someone is learning all these other things and you are learning only Power BI, which profile will be hired? Obviously, whoever having all these skills, he is going to be hired. Am I right? So whether you want to be in a competition or not, yes. If you want to be in a competition, I am recommending to learn all other components also along with the Power BI. In this Microsoft Fabric course, the Power BI course also we are going to offer. The which one you are going to learn alone. Okay, coming to Azure Data Engineering course. Some people are in a confusion. Sir, do I need to learn Azure Data Engineering course or do I need to learn Microsoft Fabric? Okay, if you are learning Microsoft Fabric, how much percentage of the Azure Data Engineering course will be covered? 80 percentage of the Azure Data Engineering course will be covered. That means whatever the course alone you are learning Azure Data Engineering, out of that 80 percentage will be covered in the Microsoft Fabric. Same, nothing different, same thing. Then what about the 20 percentage remaining? For that 20 percentage, if anybody interested, still they want to apply for Azure Data Engineering jobs, I'm going to take hardly 1 week, 1 week workshop. So if you're learning 1 week workshop, then you are going to learn 100% Azure Data Engineering, because the same options what you have inside this Fabric Data Engineering, same you can able to find out in the Azure Data Engineering as well. So with this plan, once you are completing this Microsoft Fabric course, you can apply for a jobs, complete Power BI developer, data analyst, and Azure Data Engineering jobs also you can able to apply, and you can able to apply for the Microsoft Fabric course. These many positions you can able to apply once you are completing this course. So this course is going to be 60 hours duration course. Overall course duration is 60 hours. What are the prerequisites to learn this course is, you just need to brush up some basic SQL, basic Python. Nowadays, if you want to come to IT industry, these two are very common over here. These two are very common over here. Basic SQL and basic Python. It's going to be a 60 hours duration. It's going to be 60 hours duration over here. Okay, so we are going to start the sessions from Monday onwards. The classes are going to be Monday to Friday. Okay, after learning of this course, how many years of experience I can able to mention in my resume? Ideally, this Microsoft Fabric is in the picture from last 2 years only. Then, can I put more than 2 years? Yes. You can put up to 5 years of experience, but this Fabric is coming to the market 2 years back. How can I put 5 years of experience of my profile? Fabric word is coming newly, but Power BI is in the market 10 years. Azure Data Engineering is in the 10 years, 6 years. So you can specify Power BI and you can specify Azure Data Engineering. First 3 years I work for Power BI. First 3 years I work for the Azure Data Engineering. From last 2 years I am working the same thing in the Fabric environment. So there are a lot of openings already started on the Microsoft Fabric jobs over here. See, in the Indeed, Glassdoor, there are already some jobs are started. 3,000 plus Microsoft Fabric jobs in the United States in the LinkedIn. So it's going to be a huge demand in the market, no doubt, because so far there is no platform contains in a single place with these many services to perform the data engineering, data analysis, data science. Okay, so in this course, once you are completing, the certification you need to write down is DP600 is the Microsoft certification. If you are completing this course and completing the certification, there is a high probability to get the job. And I will help you how to prepare a resume preparation and one end-to-end project. And also I'm going to provide the interview question and answers as well. And daily class recording video and class notes we are going to provide. Okay, and we are going to provide all the sessions in our LMS portal and class is also going to be in our LMS portal only. Class recordings, class notes, and whenever you are practicing, you guys can chat with me always to clarify your questions also. We have a chat option also available. But in other institutions, once the class completed, trainer is not available. But here in the e-classes, I'm the trainer, I'm the managing director. We are specifically focusing on the data side only. We are passionate and dedicated on this only few technologies what I am teaching. I'm always there for students to interact and helping for them. So every student mostly will come to our office and they will sit in my institute and they are going to practice over there. You can able to see I have written so many books as well, and you can see our office premises also over here. So this is our office premises as well. Okay, so you can come to our office and you can sit over there, you can practice, you can interact with me. If you want any kind of career counseling and all those things, I will provide to you. Okay, so this is all about this Microsoft Fabric course. We are going to start the sessions from Monday, and you guys can use the same link to join the Monday. The timings and everything will be provided by our team, will call to you. Okay, for that you need to fill that form. If you're not filling the form, you may not receive the class recordings, course content, meeting link to join the session. So I'm requesting, if anybody not fill the form, I'm sharing again the form, please fill that one. Okay, now if you guys have any questions on this one, you can able to, and you can go to our YouTube channel. There are a lot of videos I have posted about this fabric. If you want to get more understanding, so simply go to that one as well. Any questions from anyone? You can raise your hands, you can ask the questions now. Any question?
I mean, what is that you're going to teach in Power BI? I mean, once we like publish a report to the Power BI service, along with the report, we see the semantic model, right?
Hmm. Yes. Uh,
I'm just curious, the thing which we can do in Power BI desktop,
right.
is that, yeah, is
Inside
that
this
you're
Power
going to teach Power
BI,
BI desktop or?
inside the Power BI, we have Power BI desktop. Inside the Power BI desktop, we have Power BI, Power Query Editor. We have Power BI
Yeah.
modeling. We have a visualization part. Okay. Then after you are going to publishing into the Power BI online services. That is Power BI Cloud. Okay. And we have a Power BI report server. And we have a Power BI mobile app. And we have a DAX. All these things I am going to teach. All this will be covered in this. So in fact, I was the first trainer for Power BI when I was started in India. In 2000, around 16, I was started this Power BI training. See, 6 years back, I think not 6 years, yeah, 7 years back, I was uploaded 40 videos in YouTube. Almost 7 to 8 years means in 2016-17 time. That time, no one knows about Power BI. I was trying to implement in my project, and I learned it. I made a videos. I uploaded to YouTube. You never see any kind of videos from any in these two Telugu states, or I think in India also. 7 years back in YouTube, these are my first videos, because I was trying to search for the videos, but I couldn't find any videos at the time. So I made all these videos and I uploaded it over here. That time only. Okay. Any more questions from anyone, guys? So we are going to conduct 3 free classes. You guys can join the 3 free classes, and then later you can continue. Okay. For any kind of questions, course content, enrollment, fees details, just reach out the number 7997 457 228. Her name is Ramya. Okay. She is your counselor to receive any kind of information. Please reach out this number. If nobody having any questions, then we will wind up this call. Thank you.